In the previous sections, we took a look at downtime reasons for an individual machine. And now we're going to take a look at combining machines together and taking a look at the downtime for that. So if we start out and we have, let's see, a filler, but this applies to any type of industry and machines. You can use these same information. But we'll look at a packaging here. Okay. So what happens is if the sealer went down, let's say 10 minutes, and at that same time the case packer went down 10 minutes, you do not want 20 minutes of downtime. You don't want that. What we really want is only 10 minutes, and we really want one of the machines to be blamed for that. So if we look at this a different way, but looking at that same concept, let's say let's draw some product in here first. So we have, let's say, empty containers feeding in here, and we have full containers going out, so we have some product, our raw product, feeding in. And then we seal them, and then we go over to our capper and we get caps, so we have caps feeding in here. And then we go over to our case packer, puts them in a case, and then we have cases running off the end there. Okay. Now, you could have accumulation in between these. So what that means is the sealer could go down and the filler continue to run until that accumulation area fills up, and then it would have to stop. But if, let's take the case of the case packer here. It goes down and it's accumulating more product in between here, and so the capper can continue to run. Then it comes back up, and case packers typically run a little bit faster depending on how many units you have in a case. So then it clears out that extra accumulation that was built up. So you no longer have those. So that downtime, let's say it was, I don't know, 30 seconds or something. That downtime really didn't stop the filler or the other machines. So was it really downtime? And it did not cause a loss of production, so it should not be counted as downtime. So, but if the case packer goes down, let's say we go down another event, and let's say this time it was 5 minutes, and we backed up here, and we backed up here and backed up here, and so then this machine a little bit later went down because it didn't have anywhere to put product, and then this machine a little bit later went down, and then this machine the filler went down. Now the filler's down. We're absolutely producing no product on the line. That we're very interested in. And at that point, that becomes line downtime. This we want to track. Very important we track that. Now, we may still want to get all the details about that 30-second on the case packer, and that, you know, how many times did that happen, and what's the total number of times. We can start looking at trends and determining we need maintenance, or doing all kinds of things. But we're interested in this line downtime, and we do want to blame, in this example, we do want to blame the case packer. And we want to know the reason too, the case packer went down, maybe, had something to do with, I don't know, the case drop or something like that, case drop jam. Because this is actionable, relevant data that's causing us to lose production on our line. Now we can go focus, if we have a whole bunch of this downtime, we can go focus on that and see why we keep getting that. And if we improve it, we'll see our production go up on the line.